Breathe, smile, and dwell in the present moment. In Plum Village, we practice to be mindful throughout the day, while eating, walking, working, or enjoying a cup of tea. Together, we cultivate mindful, peaceful, and joyful energies. In November 2019, Plum Village, Hong Kong was offered a small house in Lok Wu Village, Lantau Island, from 3 vulnerable nuns. It is going to be revamped into our new meditation center. In this meditation center, we practice with smile in peace, enjoying the present moment in every breath. To breathe is to be alive. To smile is to be happy.
Practicing mindfulness can bring us peace and happiness. We invite you to join us in the practice.